Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video, I want to prepare spicy millet pap. It's on my YouTube channel how we prepare this our spicy millet dough. Okay, this is this dough. So we want to prepare it. So this is coconut milk. How we prepare this coconut milk is on my YouTube channel, so I want to keep it here. Beautiful people, thank you very much for watching this video. Please, if you are just seeing us for the first time, help us to subscribe, share our video with a friend and family. This is spicy millet pap. Okay, watch how we prepare the dough. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is our moi moi, plantain moi moi. How we prepare this delicious moi moi is on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment, and see you what will be taking our breakfast. Bye bye. Mwah.